So the next thing I'm going to show you how to use a function in this block here. So if you're quite familiar with Q&A executive before, you should be very familiar with those functions here. But if you don't worry, let's see what it does. So before I recorded this video, I created a summary link report. So I'm just going to use this figure here to demonstrate those functions. So the first one will be the summary. If I click summary, so that'll bring over the definition setting page. So I'm going to create it. A report is summarized by the accounting period. I'll select accounting period. So that will create it a report based on the summarized by the accounting period, and then the total figure should be the same as my previous summary link. So in this way, you can create lots of different summarized reports. You want to summarize by the analysis code, summarize by the transaction date, or anything in the output field list. Okay, so this is summary, and also we have another option is for the detail. So in the detail, if you just click the detail, transactions. If you just click transaction here, so that created report is list down all of the base amount, and if you put any field here, accounting period and account code, so that just created new report. So as you can see, those reports has been created. They're all highlighted as a different color here. So, and also this report is not editable. So if you want to add something here, so that will give you warning message. So this Excel is protected sheet. Okay, let's have a look at the breakout. So in the breakout report, so that will break out this total figure into the different reports. It depends on your selection in the breakout settings. So again, we're using this summary link here. I'm going to break out my report into accounting period here. So if I click accounting period, so Infor BI Q&A will create several sheets based on this accounting period. If I click OK, you will see. So that will give you a message. 11 sheets will be created to present breakout result. Are you sure? So click yes. So all of the sheets will be created. Yeah, obviously this report is very easy and simple report. You can add lots of the data link and do this breakout. So that can be very useful if you have a big report and you want to see the report in the different period. So this can be very quick functions for you. Another function I'm going to have a look is expand. So I created this summary report to expand. So you can use just single line to expand the report. You can also use multiple lines to expand the report. Okay, so if I select the multiple lines to expand this report here, so if I use account code and accounting period, transaction date, and transaction reference, and some analysis code, like put here as well. Then product, department, and project. Okay, so if I click OK, so it's starting creating another new spreadsheet here. So now it's starting writing the data to this sheet. Let's give a few seconds. But it's still calculating, so we should have the report very soon. I think it's just my machine is very slow, because previously when I run this report, it doesn't take so much time. Okay, so we got this report here. As you can see, this report has a detailed to the level I wanted it, because it depends on the output field. So you can expand this report and you can close expand. So I think this can be very useful if previously if you create this kind of report in the report designer. So this can be the replacement, but obviously uh, things like headings and make it more presentable. Probably we can't do it just by use this function, but at least uh, this function can bring you this data, and the content should be same as a report you're going to create it in the report designer. Okay, that's it for all of those basic functions in the Infor BI Q&A. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any problem or any feedback, you're welcome to share with me. Thank you.